He has been sitting in jail since 2006, accused of shooting to death a Bernalillo County Sheriff's deputy during a traffic stop. Now, Michael Astorga is preparing to face a jury after a long list of hearings and delays.
We waited 4 years to be able to tell the jury our side of these events.
Astorga's attorney met with us before heading to his hotel tonight, eager to get started. But it could be a while before attorneys in the case start presenting evidence because selecting a jury is expected to take some time. Gary Mitchell hopes to have a jury selected by Friday.
And so many people read about it and were interested in it. And a lot of people formed opinions about it just based on what they had heard. And when you deal with that issue, it does take a long period of time to go through all of that.
Michael Astorga's story became very public the day Deputy James McGrane was killed in March of 2006. McGrane's murder sparked a manhunt, Astorga's capture, and the long wait for the trial. News 13's Caitlin McCarthy joins us now with more on how this case unfolded. Caitlin.
Tim, it's been a long time coming, but Michael Paul Astorga will finally have his day in court starting tomorrow, and Deputy McGrane's family will face their son's accused killer.
March 22nd, 2006, Bernalillo County Sheriff's Deputy James McGrane is shot to death in Harris. Investigators said Deputy McGrane pulled over a then 29-year-old Michael Paul Astorga for a broken taillight. Investigators believe Astorga shot McGrane because he was already wanted for the murder of his friend, Candido Martinez.
We're going to do everything in our power to track this man down. We believe he's a cold-blooded killer.
A massive manhunt began. Astorga's mugshot, license plate number, and picture of the car he was believed to be driving were all over News 13. As the search continued, McGrane was laid to rest March 28th. April 3rd, nearly 2 weeks after McGrane was gunned down, Astorga was found in Juarez, Mexico, and arrested. He was handed over to Bernalillo County deputies after they scrambled to gather $2,000 in bond money to get him back from Mexican authorities.
Come over here just to help with time. That was it.
Everyone has been up nonstop, working as hard as we could to make sure that this process was completed as quickly as possible.
In 2008, 2 years after McGrane's murder, District Court Judge Neil Candelaria ruled that Astorga could be sentenced to death if convicted. The state Supreme Court later upheld that decision. Governor Bill Richardson and state lawmakers banned the death penalty in New Mexico in 2009. But McGrane's murder happened before the ban was signed into law, making Astorga eligible for the death penalty. More than 4 years after McGrane's death, the case of New Mexico versus Michael Astorga will finally begin tomorrow in Bernalillo County District Court.
And last Friday, District Attorney Carrie Brandenburg, who is trying the case, filed 2 last-minute motions. The first asked that the arrest warrant for Candido Martinez's murder be allowed in as evidence. The second motion moves to block the defense from bringing up accusations of bullying by sheriff's deputies during the manhunt for Astorga. Judge Neil Candelaria will hear those motions tomorrow. Tim?
Thank you, Caitlin. Jury selection begins at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, and News 13 will be there.